Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is regarding to the types of the projects. That what are the types of the projects? So as from the research and from the literatures, we know that there are different types of the project. But here we divided the types of the project into mainly two types. One, project with respect to planning, and projects with respect to productions. Project with respect to plannings means those type of the project for which we are going to make planning of the risk, planning of the time management, planning of the activities, project activities, planning of the quality assurance, planning regarding to the client, planning regarding to the time period, planning regarding to the perfections, and planning regarding to the work breakdown structures, cost estimation, budgeting, etc. all these. So first we will discuss the project with respect to plannings. So first one topic or types of the project with respect to planning is paint by a number project. Paint by a number project means such projects that which we can do, and being a project managers we can make the proper calculations for doing these type of these projects. Means that per units we can make the calculations and we can take this idea from the previous like projects. These projects are the simplest projects. The investors know exactly what need to be done, and they also know how it is needed to be done and which way that is to be done. Similarly, the project manager can also make the proper predictions. If project manager get the informations from the client, so he or she will be able to make the proper calculation as well as. Project managers will also give the predictions of the cost. Similarly, they are also give the proper predictions regarding to the time period as well as that in how much time periods we can finish these projects. Means that project managers is 100% sure about the end result and as well as of the success of the project. They can predict that yes, we will be successful in this project. So such type of the project that is called paint by a number projects. For example, dear students, the simple example of paint by number project is constructions projects. These are called paint by a number projects. Look at, if you wanna construct a house or a building and you provide all informations to a contractor. Now in this case, contractor is the project manager. If you provide all the informations that, let's suppose you want to construct a building of 10 floors, the length of the building, the width of the building, then the height of each and every floor. So that contractor will give you the complete estimated at that time, because he is the player of that market, so he knows that, let's suppose, per meter how much sand are required, how much cements are required, how much bricks are required. So they can easily, how much steels are required, so they can easily make the calculation. Like if in one floor 10 rooms is, your demand is to make 10 rooms, so they can take the length, width and height of the room, and on the basis of that they can give proper predictions. Similarly, like we are making some dresses, this is also a type of the project. So a well-experienced person, tailor, he or she will give you the complete calculation that how much buttons are required for this, how much cloths are required for that, and so on. So these are the simplest projects. That's why these are called paid by a number project. Paid by a number means count by a number. From a quantity level, we can give the predictions that how much quantity will be used, quantity in shape of material, numbers of laborers, and so on. That will be used. So such type of the projects, these are called what? These are called paid by a number projects. Second one is going on questions project, या questionnaire basis projects. So here the project manager know that how to do the work, and he also know that in which way the work should be done. But he is unable that what will be the end result. Or he does not know that what's the client wish. What are the client wish? So he needs some informations. For that purpose, what does the project manager do? The project manager gets the informations like shareholder knowing what they want to achieve, but are not clear that how they can achieve it. Like if we want to make investment, so what we are wanting, for what purpose we are going to make investment in the shares, in the bonds, or in the other security of the corporation, for the purpose of getting profit. But how this profit will be achieved,
We don't know in a proper way. So similarly here in this type of the project, the project manager know that what we are wanting, but here he or she does not know that in how and in which effective way we can achieve our targets or objectives. So for that purpose, what they are doing, they are getting the information through by questionnaire. They are built up a questionnaires, collecting the information, then analyze those information, work out on those information, and that information should be sent out to the research and development department, and after that the end result, the output will be taken, will be getting according to the wish of the clients. So this type of the project mostly, commonly, that are used in the research and development project, like we are seeing the different shapes of the Samsung and iPhone. So they are bringing some changes, and then they are launching it to the market, and from that new models they are getting millions of dollar profits. Now when they are producing or launching this shape, new shape of the mobile, new shape of the cars to the markets, so they are getting informations from the clients, and according to the wish of the clients, then they are producing. They are including some feature and also excluding some other features as well as. So going on questions project, that is a little bit complicated and not simple, just like paint by a number project, because here the project manager know that how to do the work, in which way to do the work. Now what's the aim of doing the work, but what are the effective way to do it. And similarly, the requirements are on the hands of the others personals. So that's why some general questions that should be asked in going to on questions projects. It depends upon the questions, depends upon the nature of the project, that what are the nature of the project. So it's belong. But generally, there are some questions that should be asked by a project manager in this case. For example, what are we actually delivering? This is the first question. What are we actually delivering? So a project might have one deliverable things like a website, a program, an event, or the brand design, brand like new brand car, new brand mobile, new brand laptop, etc. But most of the project, dear students, are made of several or more phases or items. They are not completed in a single phase. They are completed in 2, 3, 4, 5 phases. So in this case, all of the documentations that we already discussed in the project management process, like the scope of the project, the work breakdown structure, the contract, the project plan, all the straightforward list of each items your team is expected to deliver as well as. For example, let's suppose we are going to make a website. So what kind of the list that will be included? Like content strategy, that what will be our content and what will be the sequence of our content, wireframes, then we will design different design that will be used in for the website, then how we will develop it, then we will input the contents, then we will test it. If the testing the website is okay, so after that we will launch it, and when we launch it, so we will also have some supporting material to support our project, support our this website. So this is what we are actually deriving. So we will specify it that for what purpose we are going this project. Second one question is, what are we not delivering? What are we not delivering means that what are the points which we not touch in the, let's suppose in the website. So which areas that is beyond our touch. So how we will know? Automatically we will know from if we ask questions from someone that now look at or this work, that this is our work. So what you are suggesting to us? So automatically the other person will provide these informations. If these things should be included or not. Like if look at, if we are doing research for the students, that let's suppose what is how we can improve the quality education at Salam University. So automatically we will ask from the students, because this is concerned about the students. We will not ask from the farmers. So in our own idea we will think, but if we ask these from outside, so we will also collect more ideas, because there is a statement that 2 mouths are better than single mouth. So our second question means that what are we not delivering? It means that what are the things which remains from our mind, so what do you think? So we will collect the information. Third one question, generally question, is there is a deadline? Yes. Most of the project, they have deadlines, and believe it or not, that a good thing. Having a concrete amount of the time and within which the project manager must complete a project, that helps the project team to stay focused on it. How? Look at, dear student, if I give you an assignment and I'm not giving you the deadline, so you will be not concerned, you will not think about. But if I give you the deadline, then you will think that yes, deadline is there, so we will start work on this one. So that's why deadline for the project, that is too much important. So in some projects, that deadline should be asked from the stakeholder or from the clients. And in some cases, this deadline should be specified by project manager by itself. Our fourth number question on the questionnaire, going on question project or questionnaire project, that is, what is the benchmark for the success? And this is one of the most important project management questions to ask at the start of any project. A goal may be seen straightforward. Ask your client and stakeholders what they are really trying to achieve with this work. Do they want to gain more brand awareness? So what will be their benchmark, their main aim? So if we are not fixing a benchmark, so we will not try to achieve. That's why selecting of benchmark is positively affecting to achieve the goals. Next questions, that who is the client? Our client should be specified for whom we are doing this project. If client is not specified, so then if we are doing any activity, project activity, that will be all in vain. The next one question is, who is the point of contact? This question, dear student, might seem redundant if you are already working with a dedicated project team. But it is hugely important, most important to determine who is the main, in case of emergency, ultimate decisions making point of contacts on the projects. And a bonus project management question as well is, they are finding out the preferred methods of the communications, like emails, office phones, cell phones. And mostly the last things that you want to worry, and it means the project manager is worrying about if something goes out with the project. So who you should be reached out, and whether they even read your informations or not. So point of contact means how we can properly communicate and collect the data. Because if we collecting the data, if we are not fair, we bring some changes. And the project manager work on, our research and development departments works on those informations. Automatically the project objective will not be achieved. So point of contacts, that is too much important in the going on questions, the questionnaires, projects. Next one, who is doing the work? In our project team, either they are professional or not, either the personals we are assigned the work, they are professional in that work or not. Then we looked out, has this project is done already in this or not? So when
this was just generally I give the information about the general question regarding to any project. But if we are doing a work on a specific, for the specific project, so then those questions will be about that project. For example, we want to bring changes in the, we want to enhance our products or services. So now this is a project for us, like launching of a new model car. We will gather the informations from the audience, like hybridization concept. Nowadays we see the hybrid fruits, hybrid vegetables, and many more food items, hybrids. So these research are done, and these are the research projects, type of the research project. So these research are not done blindly. The informations are collecting from the concerned bodies, ideas are generating, those work are done on those ideas in the research and development departments, and similarly these research took place. Like I will give you the example of the NASA. NASA is the space shuttle's total program. Different projects, they are taken place regarding to the space issues. So when for the first time in 1969, a man, this was a project that how we can send a man to the moon. So this was very difficult at that time. So they need some informations to collect that how we can send a man to a moon. So going on questions projects, the project manager, when they do these projects, so he or she needs some information, and through by research they can, through by the questionnaire, they can collect the information, and then those informations will be analyzed, and that should be given to the research and development departments, and on the basis of those informations then the project should be carried on. Our third type, hope you will understand, our third type is making of the movie projects. This is a type of the project. So we will discuss inshallah this topic in our upcoming lecture.